Hey there, it's Papa Texas. Yeah, Papa's Kitchen. Today, we're going to clean up the Z Grills pellet grill. I'll show you how easy it is. Well, here we go. I like to wear gloves with mine. I don't know how good you can see that. We're going to spray those down also. Here's the baby we need, and pay attention underneath it. Can you see all that goop? I hope you can. All right, look at that. We're fixing to get rid of. And then here's another part. We'll be vacuuming this out. You can see all that. All that's got to come out, and I'll show you what it looks like after I vacuum it out and clean it up. As for this part, check this out. You know what? I'll get that. Look at that build up. Yeah, I'm gonna vacuum this out. You don't have to listen to it. I'll be back when I'm done. All right, well, that cleaned up nicely, and two little pellets dropped out. Now over here on this side, that's where your grease trap is. I did not put that grease into my vacuum cleaner. I used a scraper. Of course, there's still more, a little bit there, but that's clean. I scraped all this and vacuumed it up, but that looks pretty good to me. Maybe. It's nice, quick, easy job. Anybody can do it. Get it back in there. Get your rear brakes back in. What I'll do now is I'll heat it up for a little bit, let it dry everything off, and no big flash fire is going to happen for a while. Thanks for watching. I told you it was easy. I told you. It's going to be cleaner now. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. See ya. I got my new tooth soon. Yeah.